Alright, so to get to the tail lights, you're going to want to remove this liner here. Sorry for the poor lighting. Here, let me turn on the flash. Alright, so you're going to want to remove this whole liner. To do that, you'll remove this piece just by removing these 4 little push tabs. You can get back there with a flathead screwdriver, push them out, or like a needle nose plier. Or you could just use, like if you have those proper plastic prying tools, you can get back there with that and pop those out. You don't want to break anything, so just do it the right way. And then you got these little thumb screws, you just twist them out by hand. One goes right here, and then one on the other side. Take those out, take that out, and the liner will come out, giving you access to the nuts that hold the tail light in. Take those off, the whole tail light will come out. So I'm going to go ahead and swap that out. So now that the liner's off, let me just show you real quick. You can remove that nut, that one, and if you can see it, that one right there. So if it helps you to remove that bit of liner just out of your way a little bit, go for it. I'm going to try to do it without that because I'm not trying to remove this one. It's just a pain to remove all these push pins. So I'm going to see if I can slip my, where is it? If I can slip my socket and my wrench in there and get it out. If I can't, then I'll remove it, but I'm going to try that route first. But you remove those 4 nuts and the tail light will come right out. And then you just got to swap your bulb. Alright, so once you get all 4 nuts off, one there, and there, you can go ahead and pull the tail light out. Probably a good idea to put a towel between your bumper and your tail light so you're not scratching up your bumper. And then depending on what bulbs you are swapping out, this is the reverse light bulb. Like I said, I'm going to swap that out with an LED so it's a little brighter for a little bit more visibility when I'm backing up. And I'm going to see if it makes a difference. I mean, I'm sure it will. And then these are your turn signal bulbs / brake light bulbs. So I'm going to go ahead and swap that bulb out, and then we'll see how much brighter it is in a moment. That is the new LED bulb. Way brighter and much more efficient than these old just regular halogen bulbs. These run a lot hotter, they take up more, they require more energy, and honestly LEDs are just a lot brighter. So I'll show you what it looks like on the car as well, with the right side tail light still having the halogen bulb and the one I just swapped on the driver's side having the LED bulb, so you can see the difference. So before I even actually show you the light, you can see the difference on the garage door. Here is the reverse light with LEDs. Here is the reverse light with the regular old halogen. It makes a huge difference, and that's definitely going to help to see more when backing up at night. So I'm going to go ahead and swap out the other one, and then I will put back the liner on the inside, just the reverse of how I showed you to take it off. Put it in place, put those little thumb screws back in, and then that middle piece that goes right there, and then you're done.